Hi, I'm Sage, and this is my lovely model, Leoka. Today, we're going to be sharing some ways to use the new Kerasilk products on how to give Leoka a fancier version of the bun that she wears every day. Right, Leoka? So you guys can see that she has the most beautiful natural texture, but we do want to smooth this out so that she has a very smooth, sophisticated bun style and look at the end of this. Does that sound like a plan? We came out with this new product that's going to help us prep the hairstyle for this, and that is going to be the Smoothing Blow Dry Lotion. So this is going to give us long-lasting humidity protection as well as some heat protection while we blow dry this into her already dry hair. First, Leoka, you want to start with a small section in the nape area, just about like that, so that you get proper distribution of all of the product. It's important that when you're doing your hair at home, you're not just putting the product from root to ends. You want to make sure that you are going to section throughout. We're going to take this in just a few pumps per section that we apply this into the hair. So you're going to emulsify this into your hands completely, and we're going to work that in from root to ends. And now as we're working up the head, you can keep applying a little bit more as the density changes as we get on top. And it's important that you really concentrate the leftover product from your hands on the front pieces of her hairline and of your own at home where any of that frizzy texture would be left. And then once the hair product is applied, you can already tell it's starting to tame any little bit of frizz that we have there. And we're going to start blow drying that into the hair. Again, taking small sections as we start to work the blow dry in. So this is the desired sleekness that you're going to want for this sleeked bun look. I really do love a middle part when we're gonna do a sleeked bun look. So you're just going to ensure that that part is exactly where you want it. I'm just going to use the finishing cream, and we're just gonna take a little bit of that. You're going to take this and you're going to start smoothing down any of those little baby flyaways before we start to pull this back into a bun. We're going to smooth all of this back using either a brush or a comb or your fingers, as I'm doing here, just to get that nice and smooth. And we're going to start with this bun. If you have hair as long as Leoka's, I would keep the bun lower. If you have hair that's maybe shoulder length or to your collarbone, then you could put it up about midway. And then the best way to not get any bumps when you're going to secure this ponytail is you're going to split this ponytail completely in half. Don't just randomly grab at two different sides, and get your fingers up tight to where the elastic is and then pull taut. If you do that, that will ensure that no bumps happen when you do tighten up your ponytail, no matter what kind of ponytail you do. So the next type of shape we're going to do, so Leoka is a dancer. She wears her hair in a traditional regular bun, but I wanted to give her something a little bit fancier in case she was going to perform somewhere, but this way she could do it herself. The next thing we're going to do, super easy, is you're just going to twist the ponytails around each other. And this is going to give us a really interesting texture to just level up her bun. All right, so now for the easiest part of this, we're going to start by putting that ponytail all the way up. And if you wanted to, you could clip it, but since it has the elastic on there, you don't have to worry about it falling out. So you're just going to pull that up until you like the way it's placed on the top of your head while you're looking in the mirror. You're going to take a bobby pin, just like so. And one of the key things when you're putting this bobby pin into the hair is you are not going to open it. You're going to just place it right into one of the tendrils that we see here. You'll kind of grab it and you want to wait till you feel it hit your head. Then we're going to push it straight down, and that's going to start holding this bun in place. We're going to come over into the side. Again, you're weaving it through, touching the scalp, pushing it in, and you're going to place maybe 3 to 4 of these until you feel like it feels secure and it's not going anywhere. Now, once you have that pinned in, you're going to then take the tail part of this bun and you're going to place it right next to one another to tuck that tail in to give yourself a fancy, quick 5-minute bun to do yourself at home. And now where you see this little gap, you're just gonna pinch together with your fingers, feel it with the bobby pin, and you're just going to seal that right there in the middle. Once you have this pinned in place and you like the way that it looks from the front and from the back and it feels secure, we're going to use 2 products to finish the look. The first product, the Flyaway Wand. This product is one of my new favorite products that they have come out with. It has a mascara-like head to it with a little bit of gel on it. So this way, all of these little flyaways that you see in here, you're going to use the comb of this to just tuck all of those babies away. So this is compact enough that you can keep this in your purse. So if you are out and about and you wanted to fix any of these little edges, you could. And then the best part is right here in the front, we're just going to take that and comb that right down into the whole look to make that super smooth. And then what we'll do is use our newest hairspray to ensure that even while she's dancing, this bun is not going to come out, because we need to make sure that her bun stays tight. So we're just going to take this, give a nice spray all over, and just like that. I'm Sage Kinney, and if you like that at-home hair tutorial that we just dropped on the Kerasilk YouTube page, make sure you like and follow us for some more.